Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a brand new deck called the Avalon Visions Oracle deck. I fell in love with it when I took it first. It's a Blue Angel deck, and it basically says the doors to the sacred triad of Celtic spirituality open to you inside this powerful oracle deck, inspired by the mysticism of Avalon and Arthurian myth. Journey through the interwoven realms of the other world, the terrestrial world and the stellar world, each a vital stand in the web of existence. So you basically got, you've got all of the information there on the box. You can have a little read, press pause if you want to and have a read of that. Rather than listening to me drone, I just want to show you the cards. So you got these cards will liberate your inner knowing and build pathways through word and image to connect you to the infinite wisdom of Source. Now, I love Avalon. Anything that's Arthurian, anything. So I have a very strong suspicion I'm going to love this because I've just literally unwrapped it. So we've got the Celtic symbol there. This is the little book that comes with it. The Realms of Avalon. How you can do some card spreads. The tour. One of the most amazing places you can go actually is Glastonbury Tour. Okay, so you've got card meetings. So you go through each of them. Gives you the meaning of it if you pull it through. And the Neo-Mythic Bridge. So essentially everything that is got about the card is in each of the cards. And you've got the spreads beforehand. So this is the booklet. What have we got at the back? About the author. So this is Cheryl Ramback Rose, is a portrait painter, visionary artist, and the author of the book Art Through the Eyes of the Soul. So she paints in oils on linen, in a synthesis of the old master style and her own unique technique of tuning in through the eyes. Okay, so you can read a little bit more about her there. I'll turn the page for you. She lives and works in Glastonbury and California. Okay, so here's her deck. Let's have a look at this. These are the backs, so you've got the same image on the back. Cardstock's very good quality. They have a slight sheen to them. A little bit stiff because you have to actually almost really, yeah, there we go. Right, so you've got each of the cards. Let me show you them. Is he buried there? Does he live there? That's the big question, isn't it? Aren't these gorgeous? And you can see what she means about through the eyes. Now, as I always say, you can speed this walkthrough up or down. It's entirely up to you. You're in charge. So there's a settings on YouTube, which is why I always choose the unboxings to be done on here. Because, you know, it's difficult to get the speed right for everybody. Some people like me to go really quickly. Then some people like me to go very slowly. So Tintagel is one of my favourite places, as well as I really am an Arthurian girl. I think we should blow that horn and wake him up, don't you, if we could find it, so he could come and save us from ourselves and from everything. What do you think? Do you like them? Look at this. So oracle cards, I have to say, I always think they're really great for, if it's a theme that you enjoy and you like, they're really good to be able to connect to your intuition. It kind of you build a relationship and learn to trust that they're going to give you the answer. And it's a really good accomplishment, or not accomplishment, an accomplice, that's the wrong word even, an accessory, kind of, you know what I mean, with tarot. I do the two together, and I did when I started. I used to have medicine animals or something like that, totem animals or something. It's really good. And I worked with one on myself, and then the tarot I started to learn for read for others. So there we go. That is Cheryl's new deck, the Avalon Visions Oracle deck. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.